Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is May 25th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Courts adopt AI oversight. Copilot auto-misreads data. Anthropic keeps supplying NSA. B-Wrist recorder tests privacy. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. German courts are deploying AI to automate routine judicial tasks, while the final ruling in any case must remain a human decision. Governments test and run systems for anonymizing judgments, structuring case files, and extracting relevant data. Pilots named Alex, Jono, and Maki are in use, and anonymization entered regular civil court operation in December. Algorithms outperformed manual work on routine tasks, but hallucinated case numbers and fabricated rulings triggered judicial reprimands. The EU AI regulation treats court decision support as high risk, imposing documentation, data quality, and oversight duties. Federal and state authorities fund the rollout, expand training, and aim to implement the strategy by end of 2026. Adam Kucharski found Microsoft Copilot in auto mode invents country stereotypes instead of reading identical data. He generated 2,000 responses, duplicated them as UK and US, and Copilot reported differences. In a second test, 200 career statements were copied across USA, UK, France, Germany, and Italy. Copilot claimed Italians were 3 times more art-oriented. Fast Auto or Instant models in Copilot and Gemini repeated them. ChatGPT Instant and Claude Opus 4.7 ran code and detected duplicates. Copilot and Gemini detect duplicates when set to thinking. Thinking models struggle with subtle variation. Kucharski advises recording expected results and running simple controls before trusting analyses.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy. But does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. Anthropic will continue supplying Claude models to the NSA despite being labeled a supply chain risk after White House Chief of Staff Susie Wiles personally approved the deal, the New York Times reports. Reason: intelligence agencies lack NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell chips needed for current models like OpenAI's. Anthropic's new model Mythos runs on older chips and is reportedly the only near-term option for the NSA's secret networks. The Pentagon had flagged Anthropic over its refusal to allow any lawful use. The new contract bars processing of U.S. citizens' data and omits that phrase. The White House also approved $9 billion for new AI chips. Congress must still agree. Amazon acquired Bee is a wrist wearable that records, transcribes, and summarizes conversations, giving continuous notes and calendar alerts when synced. In professional settings, it can save time. The reviewer used it with permission on a business call and received summaries that broke down segments. Transcripts can be messy, speaker names often need manual entry, and some parts may be omitted. At a movie night, Bee recognized the film and labeled the summary Tarantino Film Scene Analysis. Bee requires broad permissions and stores data in the cloud. Company cites encryption and audits, showed a local-only demo, but has not updated plans. Useful for meeting-heavy knowledge workers, less suited to private life. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.